Good morning. Today we're going to talk about files, a few other basic Linux commands, cs50 commands, and running a small program in Python. So what are files? File is basically a container for storing data. We all used physical files for storing our original and Xerox documents and other important things. A file in a computer is also just a container for storing important data. Some basic types of files are document files. For example, PDF files and text files, image files, example JPG, JPEG and GIFs, and audio files, which include MP3, MP4. Now we are going to look at a few Linux commands which help us navigate to the files easily. We know ls command shows all the existing directories. If we use ls*.py, it shows us all the Python files. If we use ls*.c, it shows us all the C files. If we use ls followed by any letter asterisk, it shows us all the files starting with that letter. If we use cd tilde, it opens home directory. All these commands work in Linux command prompt or in MacBook. Now let us look at another command in cs50.m. The command is echo. It basically prints whatever the text you add in quotations after typing echo. If we want this in a file, we can do this. Followed by a greater than symbol, followed by the name of the file. A file gets created with a given name and the output gets added to it. If we want to add another thing,
it's now 7 p.m.
we have to use two greater than symbols followed by the name of the file. Now it gets added to the next line. If we give the name of the file which already exists, the previous file gets deleted and the new file with the given name gets created and the output is added to it. The previous file is deleted. Now if we want to know the word count, we can use this. Followed by WC. Here the 1 represents that it is in one line, 3 represents 3 words, and 12 represents the letters and the spaces in between and the enter we pressed. Now let's do a small program in Python. We can do a program for getting the multiples of a number. We have to create a Python file first. Let's take the number 12. Let's say we want the multiples. Let's say we want the first 10 multiples. We want this program to continue till we get 10 multiples. So we use the while statement. Now we can run this program. Now we got the first 10 multiples of 12. If we want this in a table form, we can change the print thing. In a table, we usually get the number first, followed by an into, followed by the counter, and an equal to, followed by the result. Now let's run this code. And we got this in the table form.